Hello there! So today we are making these figurines called mochis. I created them inspired by some of my favorite anime characters. Let me know if you recognize any of them. I used to make these chibi figurines and now I'm transforming them into these little mochis. Actually, this is a very old project. And these are the first mochis I've made. As you can see, they are very dirty, and this one even lost his ears because I didn't use UV resin to glaze them. These little guys appeared for the first time on my old channel, and if you are interested, I will leave the link below. So let's make them. These are some of the grains of clay that I use. As always, I start by weighing all the clay. For the little charms, I'm using 5 grams, and for the big figurines, I'm using 30 grams. I used to call them bunny mochis, but since not all of them are bunnies, I decided to change for mochis. Here I'm making a little onigiri. The story behind the shape of these bunny ears is basically because they are inspired by my old logo, which was a little bunny with butterfly-shaped ears. And even though my logo changed a bit, I still make them this way because I really like how they look. On the next day, I like to wash the figurines with water because it will make the surface more even and it will give it a more matte finish, which is better for coloring with pastels later. I think it's the same thing as people who work with polymer clay and use rubbing alcohol to clean the clay. But because it is a air-dried clay, I use water instead. Here you can see the difference after washing with water. If you prefer, you can just use water with a brush and it will give the same effect. I don't know why, but I keep messing up with the order of the coloring because usually it's better to paint all the details and eyes before the pastels, so if you have to erase anything, the color won't be affected. But as you can see, I forgot and ended up changing the sequence for some of the figurines. After the figurine for the base is done, it is time to make the little mochis on top, which is basically the same process of making the little charms. After the figurines are completely dry, I dust them and then glaze, but for the desk figurines, I prefer this matte finish, so I'm just using a matte varnish spray. For the charms, I'm using UV resin. So here are all the mochis and the reference for them. I hope you guys like it seeing the process. I really love it making them because they are some of my favorite characters. Let me know if you recognize any of them. I'm planning to make more mochis for a future video, and I hope I can show you very soon. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye!